Alright guys, welcome back to Fastback Life. I'm TK. Thanks for watching. Now today I've got something pretty sweet to show you. Got a big box here. It's something for the charger. Now, yesterday went down to a dealership about 2 hours away from where I live and picked the sucker up. I haven't actually seen anyone on YouTube deal with these. So I think it's going to be pretty interesting. It's going to be something new for everyone to see. I picked up a 6.2 Hellcat block for my charger. I plan on building it, the engine myself. So let's take a look. It's on a crate. Actually, there's some straps that went across the top. It's the only thing that I did, before we look at it. It's the only thing I did. You'll see soon. But that's what a block is packed in. So if you're ready, I'm gonna set you guys up and let's see what happens here. I'm pretty freaking excited. All right, I'll get you set up here. There we go. Oh man, I'm excited. I am super excited. So, this is what a Hellcat block looks like when you order one from the dealership. Wrapped in plastic. Looks like it's already painted. Still strapped to the pallet. So yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm super excited. I've been doing some looking around for a block, cause I can't honestly save up enough money to spend like 15 grand on an engine. So I figured I could build one myself. Ultimately, not that difficult, but it'll take some learning. Excuse me. So, did some looking around. They're kind of hard to find. Obviously, I got mine from the dealership. I actually asked around at some dealerships to see if I could get one from a local one, and it's a pretty interesting story right there in itself. But I found it cheaper a couple hours away from me, so I got hooked up with this block. So I think we should probably crack it open and take a look. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited to see what's underneath this plastic. I'm pretty sure some interesting stuff. So I'm gonna get the camera set up and we'll take a close look at this. All right. Just need to get a little knife here. There's one. Didn't even need it on that one. So this is it right here. Taped up pretty good. Right away through the bag I can see some emblems and stuff. I'll get you around so you can see it. Oh, I can't even move it. Let's see if I can do it this way. Some emblem stuff in there. Made in Mexico. Numbers there. As you can see, there's some bolts right here. all down the side of the engine. I will talk about those in a minute. If we, it's kind of heavy. There we go. So we got a little plaque there. It says BGE. Oh, I don't know if you're able to see any of that, but I think that if I cut the plastic from the top, it'll just kind of fall down. So I'll see what I can do. I don't really want to mess up the tape, so I'm going to do this as quickly and as carefully as I can. Unboxing of a Hellcat. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Oh man. Oh my god. I am I'm super excited to see this. This is freaking awesome. Sit down here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Freaking sweet. And you can see that they got the oil squirters already installed. Oh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. So these little caps here, well, there will be caps in them, but this is where like the MDS, I think it's called. So I don't know if you guys anything. I don't know if you guys know anything about the MDS, but the MDS controls shutting down 4 cylinders, so you can run 4 cylinders and save on gas mileage and stuff. So what oil does is it gets diverted into those, I think they're like some type of pressure regulator or whatever, and it controls whether or not the pressure goes to these lifters that are in here. And when the pressure is pushed on those lifters, it kind of shuts them off. And then by shutting that off, you're shutting off that cylinder. But so yeah, anyways, this is freaking sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Already painted. BGE R32. It's got some stuff already in it. It already has, I'll be damned, already has camshaft bearings installed. Holy crap. Oh man. Holy crap. I'm so in shock here. Sorry, just can't control myself. This is awesome. Oh man. So I'm gonna maneuver the engine around, get it up so we can see both ends with the plastic kind of further down. I'll be right with you. Alright, got the engine kind of moved around so we can see the ends here. But as you can see, it's already got camshaft bearings in it. BGE, big gas engine. If we go to the front here, we're looking at the front. This is like where your oil pump would sit. Your VVT, your variable valve timing thing that sits there on top of the cam. We got the side of the block here. Freaking awesome. So, we have part number, serial number, and build date. Build date is 100-21. I think, now tell me if I'm wrong down in the comments what the build date is, but 100-21 makes me think that it's 100 days in the 2021. So if I'm right, that is a 2021 block? I don't know. No clue. But I am so excited. Got the oil squirters up there. I mean down there. Oh man. See, now I was talking about these bolts. You've got your main caps here. You got a bolt that goes straight up, and you've got bolts on the side that go into the main cap as well. So I thought that was a really cool touch. Does it make it stronger? I'm assuming it must have. I mean, I've heard of 4-bolt mains, but I don't know if that's considered a 4-bolt main or not, but it does have 4 bolts holding it in, so I don't know. But oh my gosh, freaking awesome. Paint's kind of going in that spot. Oh man, I'm beyond excited. I can't even tell you. I'm kind of speechless. I think it's freaking awesome. I have a 6.2 Hellcat block that I'm gonna freaking build. I'm excited. Just can't stop smiling. Cannot take my fingers off of this damn block. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys unboxing of a Hellcat block. I've never seen anyone do it, so you know, hopefully you guys like this. When I called the dealership, I was told that there was only 15 of these blocks left in the nation, and once I found that out, I kind of got nervous and I ordered one. So I have one of the blocks that was left in the nation. So maybe there's 14 left. I don't know if they're gonna keep making them. That's why I was a little worried whether or not I should get one, but I did. It was a good price. Super excited with what I got. I'm super stoked if that's a 2021 block. That's awesome. Like I said, I just can't stop. Yeah, I mean, if you guys got anything about the build date, I think it's a 2021 block. That makes sense to me. If you guys know something about the build dates on engine blocks, you know, if it looks familiar, leave a message down below. You know, when I get this up on an engine stand, I will do I'll rotate it around and we can take a look at stuff a little bit more in detail. But thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You know, subscribe button will just let you know, I'm still in the loop for you to watch the videos. Hit the bell if you want to know when a new video comes out. They don't come out regularly because I just don't have a whole lot of content to show you, back to back really quick. So hit the bell if you want to. It'll just let you know when I got a new video out. Like I said, hit the like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm super excited to get this thing up on an engine stand. Rotate it a couple times, take a look at everything a little bit more closely. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.